Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do air cycles, okay? It's a pretty basic exercise and most people can do it. It'll get your abs going if you do it long enough though. You'll definitely start feeling them. It's pretty good for hip mobilization, kind of a stability exercise as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to lie flat on our back, keeping our lower back on the ground and hands drawn down into the floor, okay? And then from here, we're just going to cycle like you would on a bike. Keep your core nice and contracted. Reverse. Reverse. Go a little bit higher. Lower. Reverse it. Good. Get a little bit of a quad workout going in there too. Great, just a workout that you can use your body weight. Definitely good if you put it in circuits with some other abdominal work. You'll really start feeling it. So give it a try. Let me know. Please leave any questions in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And have a great day.